This is going to save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on your future iPhone purchases. Let's say that you were going to purchase a brand new iPhone 15 Pro, for example. So you pick the regular Pro instead of the Max because you like the smaller phone. Now you select the color you want, let's say natural titanium because you like the new one. And here comes the money sink that most people fall victim to, the storage options. Pretty much everyone knows that Apple is completely ripping you off here. It literally cost them just a few dollars, if not pennies. Storage is one of the cheapest parts on these phones. So here is how you can outsmart the system. You are going to buy the base spec, the 128 gig option. But if you still need more storage, you are going to get it from the iCloud subscription. Because let's say you would have given up those extra 100 bucks to upgrade to 256 gigabytes. You would need to subscribe to the second tier of the iCloud storage, which gives you an extra 200 gigabytes instead of the 128 you were getting before. And yeah, it costs only $3 a month. So you would be able to get an extra 200 gigabytes for 33 months, which is almost 3 years, instead of the 128 gigabytes you would have gotten for the same 100 bucks. And let's be honest, even after those 33 months, if you're a Pro customer, you will most likely want to upgrade to the newest, shiniest iPhone Pro anyway.